Hey guys, Lloyd here from iGen Entrepreneur. Hope you are all well. So, yes, we are having a wholesale themed month. I'm going to be releasing some top tips for wholesale. The most kind of logical and valuable way for someone looking to start wholesale would be to go from how you find a wholesale account, how you speak to them, and how you get an account open with them. So there's a lot to that, but hopefully these top tips are really kind of valuable and they're worth sharing. So yeah, top tip number one, finding a wholesaler, finding a distributor, finding someone that you can buy things from in bulk and cut out the likes of Argos, Tesco's, or wherever you source your products to sell on Amazon. So yeah, really difficult, isn't it? It's like, where do you even start looking? Where do you even, well, kind of the answer with a lot of things, not to get too philosophical, the answer with a lot of things is right in your hand, basically. The most valuable tip that I can give, top tip number one, I know that's two, top tip number one is, here's an item bought at the Smiths. It's for my niece's birthday soon. It's pretty cool stuff apparently. So this is Super Zings Rivals of Kaboom. Sounds awesome. What's that? You've got your barcode. What you've also got in this writing, you've also got, it might be flipped over. Yeah, so I can just about read that. Yeah, John Adams Leisure Limited. On every item that you will buy, you will find the supplier details. I know, crazy. So, any item that you buy, I think it probably legally has to have this on here. So, let's have a Google. Let's have a quick look. Gonna make this much smaller because no one wants to see me. We're called John Adams Leisure Limited. So this might turn John Adams. Okay. So yeah, this isn't rehearsed or anything. This might be a dead end, but it's a good place to start. That's quite positive though in text. By the way, guys, if this is a really good supplier, I'll delete this video and just keep this to myself. Haven't used these guys before. Okay, so here we are. And again, I'm going to keep this under 4 minutes. So really, best kind of advice I can give is to check the items that you buy for the supplier details, because, well, right here we have their phone number, so we can give them a call, and we also have their email address to, obviously, customer services. That's not great for opening an account, but this is. So there's their phone number, that's what they sell, and they are in the business of selling items. So B2B, this isn't like going on the Smith's website and just ordering a few. You will need a little bit more tact when you're calling B2B or business to business. So we'll cover that in the next few videos. Top tip number one, over and out. Stay cool.